As you can see, I got my sister Zari from the Super Girls. Hey, and today, as you can see, we're doing a 100 chicken nugget challenge. Now, how this is gonna work, we're going to set a timer for 15 minutes, okay? We're going to eat all these chicken nuggets before 15 minutes start.
So we got our water bottle just because I lost it too.
Yeah, you know. And we already know we're gonna be on the toilet after this and all that. But probably too much information. But alright, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go.
It's good.
It is. Water. We need to hurry. How much time we got left?
14, 15 seconds left.
We're 13 minutes and 59 seconds. We didn't finish all these. I don't think so. We would hurry.
Don't forget to subscribe. We forgot to mention that one.
We're gonna wish that again. Well, too late. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that stuff, but we're gonna get back to you.
Turn your notifications.
Yeah, too. And hit that bell. Yep, hit that bell.
I'm getting full.
If you guys don't know, we ate a food stuff before this. And
Yeah.
we did not know
This
we
was
were
hungry.
doing this. Yeah.
No, because this is what happened. We went to Walmart first, then we went to Burger King, and we was hungry. Then we went to Target.
Don't say we went to Burger King. He gonna go there.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Then we went to the place where we had our food.
Yep.
Then we went to Target, then we went to Publix. And guess what we saw at Publix?
You tell me.
I want you to comment down below and tell me who do you think we saw at Publix? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We saw Nia from
Nia from Disney Channel.
yeah.
From what's it called? What's it so called?
From Raven's Home.
Yeah. Raven's Home.
I think that gonna post it on Instagram.
Yeah, you can do a little clip of it on Instagram. You feel me? Yeah, make sure y'all go and watch the video on Instagram too. By the time I post
Well, it wasn't a video. It was a photo.
well, yeah, picture. Yeah, picture. I'm sorry guys if you don't know that. That's our dog barking in the background.
11 minutes.
We ain't about to finish this.
Yeah, we ain't about to finish this. I thought we was.
Yeah, come and join us real quick.
Come join you?
Yeah,
Yes.
come and join us, please.
You don't want me to,
We need a little help. We need a little boost.
you don't want me to chirp in too?
My stomach
Let's see.
hurt.
Mm-hmm.
You need to eat it with that ranch and take that.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Alright, I'm out.
What? Oh, one chicken nugget.
I'm just joking. I'm gonna come help. I'm looking for my drink.
Damn, bro, I'm in third, bro.
Oh, it's right over there.
I'm gonna be on the real toy after this.
She not gonna be running lap for that though.
So you want to be on a real toy after this? Were you planning to be on a fake one?
I'm gonna run a lap.
What other kind of toilet were you planning to be on if it's not real?
I'm gonna be on the ground toilet.
What are you trying to say? I'm gonna really be on the toilet after this?
Yeah. Man, I don't care, bro. I'm so full by.
Full too.
We can't stop though. It's funny.
Y'all top,
It's a
y'all.
YouTube video.
Y'all done tapped that already?
No.
Nope.
Y'all gonna help us?
Oh, I'm not fooling
For
you.
real, y'all don't help us. Y'all been sitting there looking.
I know, right? I'm like, what y'all doing, bro? You're having a better time than we are right now.
Come on, y'all come help us. Look now. That's a lot more left.
A lot.
Bro.
And that's like 70 more. We ain't about to eat all that.
I'm already full.
We like 20 nuggets so far.
Oh yeah, we did.
No, 30 nuggets.
No.
You quit?
No, I'm about to.
If we quit, that means you ain't a real boss kid. Come on.
Ooh.
I'm a better boss kid than you, though.
I'm a boss kid. You a sauce
Who else did this, Sean?
Ace family.
Did they finish off Nugget?
Yeah, I don't think so.
That's right.
But shout out to the A family. Shout out to everyone who did this. Did the 100.
We need some extra help. Papa!
Yeah.
Come
Come
help
help
us.
us, yo. You got
Come
a
on.
biggest mouth. Come on. I know you can eat fast.
Come eat with us.
Act like you hungry.
Oh, you gotta recruit people on
Oh,
this.
yeah, this look like a frog. Look, y'all, this look like a frog legs, and then another one. Don't hit that. Hit that.
I'm getting sick.
Well, lay your head down on this.
Bro, I don't quit. No.
We got some help, you guys.
I'm
We
not
gotta
a
recruit
quitter.
somebody. They got one extra round, but still wasn't enough. I'm full.
We babysitting.
I'm 5 in.
100.
100.
Y'all got a while. You got a ways to go. What
Bro,
you
we
on?
got like 60
We got 6 more minutes, I think. About
6 minutes. Are they good?
Let's start. Yeah, I ate. So we got them sauces there. I think they spent more time talking.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm about to throw up. I'm dead serious.
Come on, do 2
I
more.
know we should have did 20 more.
10 more. 10 more. 10 more. 10 more. 10 more. 10 more.
10 more.
See, they saying 10 more.
Nothing to it.
Nothing to it but the what?
Joy.
9, 10. That's all I need.
Oh,
10. That's 10.
Chill.
That's 10.
That's a lot.
No barbecue sauce?
They have no.
They ran out.
What?
Oh, yuck. Ranch sauce.
Yeah,
You
that's
don't like that with the buffalo?
No, that's horrible. I couldn't even
Buffalo is
imagine.
good.
So this is dinner, huh?
No, it ain't no
You
dinner.
guys have 6 minutes. Well, I grabbed the dog, so
Oh, he got barbecue. Yay.
sanitation is very important. Wash your hands. I grabbed the dog, so I will dare not eat another chicken leg until I'll be back after these myself.
Oh my god, the barbecue is so nasty.
Tasty.
I'm gonna do the popcorn though.
I'm full.
Or, why y'all even try it? If you weren't gonna dig in and really put it dinner. Don't even look like you got started.
What? No, you should have saw it was at the top.
It was white at the top.
Was it?
Yeah. We look like 40 on it so far. We look like 30
Yeah,
more.
wasn't it at the top, Dad?
It was very top. I'm already full, right?
Looks like the dog want another one.
He does.
Yeah.
There you go. Help us out, my guy.
Hey.
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 Oh,
You
TJ's
gotta do
cheating from the
10.
10. TJ's cheating from the 10.
Oh, he hungry.
I don't think you'll make it. So what do you lose?
If we lose, we lose. I don't care. You can be found on video. People fail trying
I'm gonna tell you this: we're not going. Well,
I'm not about to eat all these no one day.
I'm
I
not
swear
going to
I'm
speak
not.
the negative, but 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo!
That's
Let's just
not
say we
enough.
broke them even out of 100. That's what, 25 nuggets a piece.
Mm-hmm.
Woo! That's about
25, 50, 75, 100. We should do that. So 25.
TJ, they want to see you eat.
Tired.
Lay your head down, Lord. What's up, you two? Tapped out?
No.
Are you finished? You done work out?
No.
Apparently it's about 30. Maybe 40. I don't know.
How much do you have left?
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Come on.
10 more, 10 more, 10 more.
10 more. 10 more. 10 more. 10 more. 10 more. 10 more.
You look good.
Y'all look devastated. All right, so guess we won't be doing any more eat it challenges.
This is the worst challenge that ever exists.
So you like that buffalo now, huh?
Well, that's pretty all right.
Dad,
What's that, Zaxby sauce?
Dad.
No.
Barbecue?
Dad, why would you say that?
Oh, I'll take it out. All right, barbecue sauce.
Learn.
Oh, wow.
That's nasty.
That's good.
That's nasty.
You eat anything, that's why it's up in mayonnaise.
Hey, man.
Lettuce is good, but it's the worst by itself.
I agree.
Sorry. There you go, buddy.
So you agree, so you like mayonnaise and stuff, but you
20 minutes later, you still have like 2, 4, 6 chicken nuggets.
No, I only got one.
You silly. All right, maybe under a minute or so. Let's see.
Now you pour all of it out.
Nope.
Not like pour all of it out, but like.
Man, I didn't even more,
I
bro.
wouldn't get done.
These chicken nuggets are getting nasty.
Like, you help us eat it.
Dad, I ate so much they get nasty.
Really?
I'm sorry, yeah. Yeah, big old stomach.
Eat it. Eat it.
No,
Eat it.
no,
Eat it. All right, so let's
no.
do this thing. Everybody has to put 2 chicken nuggets in their mouth for the grand finale.
What the heck?
Grand finale. Let's go. 2 chicken nuggets.
No.
I put
I'm
half
not
of it.
it's too small.
Come on, guys. 2 chicken nuggets. Grand finale.
God, do you think 2 chicken nuggets can fill enough at a time? Look.
Today
Yep.
you got smallest ones here.
Oh, thank you.
Big mouth. Definitely. You guys ready?
No, I'm not. Okay. Then be quiet.
Come on, here we go. Here's the grand finale. 2. Ah, we need another one. Need another one. Need another one. Same time. Oh,
I got
all right.
2.
Ready? Here's the grand finale. You got 2? On your mark. Get set. Eat it!
All right. Number 12. How many nuggets do we have left?
Guess what?
One.
One for you.
I put one on the
One
floor.
for you.
One.
Yay!
One for you.
I didn't eat 2. I ate 1.
You.
I didn't eat 2. I ate 1. Look. I put the
3,
other one on
4,
the floor.
5.
Dad, I put the other one on the
9.
floor. I didn't eat the other one.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
You haven't eaten enough to keep start throwing up.
17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2,
What
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28! I think we did a marvelous job. 100 nuggets is what we started with. We ended off with 28. There's Drama King in there. However, we ended up with 28. So how many? So 100 minus 28.
72.
We ate 72 chicken nuggets in 15 minutes. I think we can consider this challenge as a success.
68, the dog ate 4.
Right. Rex ate 4. You guys know what to do. Subscribe to you guys know what to do. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video.
No,
Comment.
said all that.
Who do you think ate the most chicken nuggets?
Ow.
Comment down below.
It was out of Papa and Dad. No, I didn't mean
No, it was out me
I
and
can't
Azari.
wait. It was out of you too.
No, what you just said.
I mean me and Azari.
What
day.
All right, you guys. God bless y'all. And remember, be a boss. Be a boss.
No, don't just be a boss. Be a boss kid of the nature.
Be the boss sauce.
Deuces.
Harvey, I said boss kid of the nature.
Deuces.